Malaysians love to gather over food and to be sociable. It's all part of our DNA. However, all of that had to change overnight since the Movement Control Order, MCO, was imposed to curb the spread of the coronavirus in March 2020. The whole food and beverage industry came to an unprecedented standstill, changing its landscape for the long run. Likewise, across the world, restaurants have been falling like dominoes on a rampage. In many countries it is estimated that between 17% to 25% of eateries have been forced to close since the onset of the pandemic. In my small town, Donggongon in Penampang, this is the scene of popular dining shops on the first evening of the new year 2022, which are almost empty. Wondering whether the whole days of 2022 be like this.